Hi there, it's Sarah Wendorf, Instructional Designer with the Cambrian College Teaching and Learning Innovation Hub. I'm here with a quick video to show you how to add a submission screen for H5P Interactive video. What's happening right now is in some older interactive videos, if you've used an interactive video in a previous course, say in winter 2019, and you'd like to reuse it now for winter 2020, in between that time, H5P has updated the interactive video content type. So what's happening is there's a new way to submit grades to Moodle. So the students now have to submit using a submit screen rather than just playing the video all the way to the end of the timeline and then Moodle will automatically submit. That's the old way. The new way now is we have to manually go in there and add a submit screen to any of your older videos. So in here, I'm just working in my sandbox course, and if you're using interactive video to record grades or activity completion for your students, here's how you do it. Right now, if I just go quickly to my Gradebook, I went to navigation grades to get to this screen here. I have another account, so that's my student account that's saved for this course. If I scroll over to the H5P activity that I'm about to show you, you'll see that there's no grade recorded currently for this sample video, which I'm going to have to add that submit screen to. So right now, nothing is showing. This might also happen with your students if you don't make this fix to one of your older videos. Now, to make that fix, if you go to the video that you've created, click Edit Settings, and then in your settings here for the video, click on Add Interactions. And right now I've got just a simple little question in here. The trick to this is if you're going to be recording grades or activity completion, you must have some sort of graded question included in your interactive video. If you don't have a graded question, there's nothing to submit to Moodle, so that you won't receive any notification or anything in your gradebook to say that the student has completed the video. So even if you have to add a quick little multiple choice question at the very end of the video just to show that they've reached the end of the video and clicked that question, you can add that in. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the end of my video. So I've got that little multiple choice question sort of in the middle. I'm going to scroll closer to the end. And what I'm going to do is add a submit screen. So that's the piece that's missing. The piece that's missing right now in this video. Right now, if I go to say the 9-second mark, because this is a really quick video just for a demo, I'm going to click this star right here and click Add Submit Screen. You can put that submit screen at any point in your video along the timeline. I'm just adding it here at the end. It registered here at the 8-second mark. I can just fix that a little bit here. And let's put it... All right, let's put it at the 8-second mark. Okay, so this line here that you see is the submit screen line. That's what's going to pop up and prompt your students to click that submit button, and then the grades will be recorded in Moodle. Now, just to demo that and show you, I'm going to click Save and Display. This is what you're going to see from the faculty point of view. So if I just skip ahead in my video, there's a question, say I answer it. It'll tell me that I've had one answered. And then at the 8-second mark where I've programmed that submit screen to pop up, here it is. It'll tell me my score and I have to click Submit Answers. So if I click that, it'll give me a little green confirmation message saying your answers have been submitted. Now, because I'm still in my faculty profile, I'm going to switch to my student profile. Okay, so now that I've switched to my student profile, I'm going to go back to my course and complete that. I'm going to scroll down to my sample video. Now I'm going to click play. Let the video play. When I get to the multiple choice question, it'll prompt me. So I'll click the answer, check, continue. So it'll tell me here the star says one answer. 8-second mark, submit screen pops up. I click submit answers, and here I've gotten a score of 1 out of 1. Now, if I go back to the faculty view here, so if I go back into my faculty profile in Moodle, I'm going to go back into the gradebook. So I'm going to go to Navigation, Grades, and here's the student profile that I just submitted for that activity. If I scroll over here, where is it? So sample video here. So you'll see I got 10 out of 10. You can click on the little magnifying glass and then you'll see which answers your students got correct or incorrect and their final grade score that they received for that activity. So that is the quick, easy way to update some of those older H5P interactive videos so that the grades are now getting submitted to your Moodle gradebook.